Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making a really easy oil-free hash brown stack. Now for this recipe, all we're going to need is the base ingredients, which is around 4 cups of frozen hash browns or shredded potatoes. Now the only ingredients that you want to look for in the bags are it to have potatoes, and it might have a stabilizer or a storing agent, but no oil in it. These are just shredded potatoes that have been frozen. We also have a baking sheet and some parchment paper. You can use a silicone mat. We are going to be baking these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and then depending on how you like your hash browns, if you like them crispier, you'll want to keep an eye on them for another 5 or maybe 10 minutes, but 15 minutes to start off with, and then a few more minutes, and then we can add in our favorite toppings. But I'm going to bring you in here and we're going to get started on this recipe. Okay, this is really simple. I like to just take my hash browns. We're not going to use any oil. There doesn't need to be any added fats to this, and just spread them out nice and evenly. The bigger the baking sheet that you have, the better, just because you'll be able to spread them out a little bit more evenly. You'll want to make sure that they don't burn doing that, but that will be perfect. Now I'm going to get this in the oven for 15 minutes and maybe a few more depending on how crispy I want it. But we'll be back when they're done. Our hash browns just finished up in the oven. I am going to take some, get them on our plate here. Now how Erica and I like to eat our hash browns, I'm going to take some pickled jalapeños, get it nice and spicy, and then add in a little bit of sriracha, and then also some ketchup. Organic ketchup just adds a little bit of sweetness in there, and that is honestly how we like to enjoy our hash browns. I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit. I will see you guys in just a second. I'm back. I got the kitchen tidied up, and I am here with the oil-free, what turned out to be sweet and spicy hash browns. Really simple to make, just a few minutes in the oven. Well, not a few minutes, 15 to 25 minutes around there. But you will get some perfectly cooked hash browns. As long as you stay on top of them, they won't burn. And you can make a great breakfast, great snack, great dinner, whatever you want to eat it for. Erica and I will eat them for different meals of the day, but we really enjoy them. As you can see, it turned out really good. I'm going to go ahead and give it a bite. Absolutely fantastic. You've got the crunchiness that the hash browns get. I like the sriracha and the ketchup on there. And then that spiciness, extra heat from those pickled jalapeños really adds a little bit extra kick. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you did, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button on Facebook and YouTube. And go ahead and share this video. Make sure everybody knows how to make oil-free hash browns. And this recipe and all my past and present and future recipes can be found at plantbasedgabriel.com. And I am Plant-Based Gabriel, thanking you so very much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon.